Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, stability control, anti-lock braking system, power steering, air conditioning, front, cruise control, trip odometer, power brakes, compass. Your new ride is just a phone call away.